Hey guys, Joe here. So we've been getting the question a lot, how can I grow a small account? And now I'm going to teach you in this video. If you have an account with, let's hypothetically say you have $100 and you're looking to get started in Forex, this video is for you. Stay tuned guys, throughout the video, we're going to talk about ways you can grow that account, and there's also going to be a giveaway announced. So you don't want to miss that guys, stay till the end. There are three ways in which you can accomplish this. The first method of trading is scalping, the second method is day trading, the third method is swing trading. And there are distinct differences between the three of them. We're primarily going to focus on scalping, but I'll cover the other two quickly throughout this video. So when it comes to scalping, guys, you're looking at very short-term trades. So you're going to be sitting in front of the chart, you're probably going to enter the trade and get out within a few minutes, sometimes even seconds, guys. These things move very quickly. And so when it comes to scalping, guys, we usually recommend this for new accounts with $100. And I'll teach you the method later on in the video of what sizing and positions and everything you're going to take. The biggest advantage of scalping, guys, is the risk factor. You're coming in with very little risk. And the reason being, guys, is that you're monitoring the whole trade from open to close. Yes, you're going to put a take profit and stop loss. And the other big part, guys, is that you're not going to be risking money overnight. You have full control of the trade from open to close. So the few minutes that you're going to be sitting there in front of the trade, guys, you get to see everything that's happening. And so although this may be the lowest risk form of trading, guys, with low risk comes low reward. Building the account, guys, is not going to be coming in and doing a 50% trade in your first shot. You're going to aim for 1 or 2%. With day trading, guys, you're going to be looking at what I would call a medium risk. Right? So the medium risk, we're also aiming for a medium reward. And now the advantages of day trading, guys, is that you're going to get in early in the morning. It doesn't have to be in the morning specifically, but just for my example, you'll get in early in the morning, you'll get out right before the market closes if you're trading in the stock market, right? So for example, let's say for a Forex market, you're going to hold it for maybe an hour or 5 hours, but you're not going to let this thing sit overnight. And as always, guys, you're going to set a take profit and a stop loss. Swing trading. Swing trading, usually you'll hold it for a day or longer. Now, the advantage of the swing trading is that you could be aiming for a bigger reward, but again, with a bigger reward, you're risking more, right? And the disadvantage of swing trading is that, for example, if you have a trade open and the market's closed, well, you never know. It could open very red on the Monday when the market opens, or it could be in your favor and turn green. But we always assume the risk in the sense that we don't have the control. We don't have the control when the market is closed. We're going to talk now again about how to grow a small account. So let's get back into it. So if you're new to Forex trading, guys, the first thing you're going to need is an account you can trade Forex on. So we recommend the platform MetaTrader 4. Now, to be able to use MetaTrader 4, you need to fund it through a broker. And a lot of people ask us, what is the best broker? Which broker should I go to? Now, the question is not very easy to answer because some brokers only operate in some regions, right? And a lot of you guys, like we get questions from all over the world. So when it comes to the broker you're in your region, you got to look for somebody that's reputable. Avoid going with no name nobodies that you've never heard of before. Look for somebody reputable, check on Google, and look for a bigger company, some company that's already proven itself. Once you've opened your account, you're then going to fund your MetaTrader 4 account, but you're not going to start trading. And this is the most important part you guys need to listen to. If you're new to Forex trading, you're not going to trade with real money right away. You're going to find it on the App Store, download it, and create a demo account. And with the demo account, you can fund it to whatever level you would like, and then you can start trading. The good part about a demo account, guys, is the money you are risking in a demo account, it's not even real, it's fake money. So it doesn't really matter to you, right? If you lose it, you make a bunch of mistakes, you can top it up again. But take in, guys, that if you keep burning demo accounts, you're likely to burn a real account. So take it seriously. When you're trading with a demo account, act as though it's real money. You want to do your technical analysis. You want to load up Elite Algo, follow the strategy videos like we teach you, and trade through that method. And so, guys, when it comes to starting to trade, there's even a time and a place that I want you guys to be doing. It's called the New York and the London session, right? So on the chart right now, guys, I'm going to show you visually the difference between trading outside of those hours and then trading within those hours. Okay, so let's take a look. So this section right over here, guys, this whole section right here, this is all outside of the hours. And so once we're outside of these hours, guys, and the London session begins, it begins at 3 a.m., which is this candle right over here. And so over here, guys, we're going to look at all the volatility you get, right? So you're getting massive movements right now, which is very good if you're trading. And look at the accuracy of the signals, guys. I mean, it couldn't get easier than that. You could have taken any one of these and been heavily in the green. Then we come over here. The New York session starts at 8 a.m., which would be right here. So New York session starts, we get a massive bullish movement shortly after. And then it's going to continue, and I'll show you when the New York session ends. It ends right over here. And then look how the chart looks afterwards. And so if you're new to trading, guys, this is a very important thing for you guys to learn, is that it doesn't actually take much time if you're trying to build a small account. Now, I've shown you when to do it. I've shown you how to do it. And the biggest question we always get after that is how much should you be trading? And so, guys, to find out how much of a position you are going to take, there's a method of doing it, and I'll show you that now. So we're going to go over here. We're going to open up our drawings. And we're going to click short position. We're going to put it right over here to match up with the bottom of the sell candle wick. So the wick is right over here. We're going to put it right there with it. A bit closer. And then we're going to adjust our take profit to 1.5. Okay. And so the risk and reward ratio, guys, we're going for every dollar you risk, you're going to make $1.50. And then we're going to take this number over here, guys, and we're going to go to My FX Book. So when we get to My FX Book, stop loss pips. So now, guys, that we have the short position calculator set up, we're going to open up our position size calculator on My FX Book. I'll post a link below in the video and make it very easy for you guys to do. So once we go over here, we're going to set the currency pair we're on. So we're on Euro USD. The currency we're using is USD. Your account size, just for this video, guys, we'll put $100, but whatever your account size is, you'll put it here, obviously. The risk ratio percent is going to be 2. When you're trading, guys, you're going to aim for 1 to 2%. The stop loss in pips, I'll show you where to find that number. So let's put the calculator, or the position size over here. It's right over here, guys, so 3.6. So we're aiming for a 3.6 stop loss, 3.6 pips. Trade size loss is going to be 1. We're going to hit calculate. And then this is the number we get over here. So we're going to be risking $2, guys, on this position. And so when you go to MetaTrader 4, guys, you're going to input this number over here for your position size. Then we're going to come over here, guys, and get this out of the way. Easiest way to find the take profit and the stop loss and how to turn off the dashboard, just over here, guys. So when you enter your trade, guys, you're going to put your take profit at this number over here, 1.1764. Your stop loss is going to be 1.1769. And your sizing is going to be 0.06 lots. Now, this is not a universal number, guys. So for every trade, this is going to change. So it's very important to use this tool. Again, it'll be in the link below in the video. It's very easy to find, very easy to use. It's free. You don't even have to make an account. You can just open it up and use it. And so on to the next part, guys. So as you're going to be trading, guys, it's very important to document the trades that you make, right? So keep a journal and keep it for you to know how you're doing. Now, let me explain to you guys the importance of risk management. Once you get your take profit and your stop loss, those should be set in stone. The only time a stop loss should be moved is if you're moving it from over here to the entry because your trade is in the green. So this trade over here dipped into the take profit, dipped into the first take profit. And this would be a good time to move your stop loss to entry and maybe move your take profit or trim half the position over here. And so the risk, guys, of moving the stop loss and keeping low, you keep lowering it, you keep lowering it, you keep lowering it. What's going to happen, guys, is you're going to take that $100 account, and then through maybe 1 or 2 bad trades, that $100 is going to turn into 50. And so you lost 50%. Okay. And now when you go to trade again, when you start trading and you make 50%, you're not going to be back at 100. You're only going to be at 75. And so this is the part that people fail to grasp, right? Is that for every time you take a loss of a percentage of your account size, it's not the same to make it back, right? So losing 50% is not the same as making 50%. It's actually very, very different, and it's simple math. And so when you're at $50, now you have to make 100% just to get it back to 100. And so guys, this is why it's very important that if you are going to be scalping, aim for smaller risk and go for smaller rewards. And so if you guys do have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Or if you guys have a video suggestion or you would like us to cover a specific topic, again, write your question in the comments below. And as promised, guys, it's time for the giveaway. And so the giveaway that's coming up now is going to be a 3-month membership to Elite Algo and to the full Elite Signal server on top of $100. Now, what you have to do, guys, to be able to be eligible for this is you have to like this video, drop a comment below, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and share the video. We're going to be announcing the winner 1 week from now.